This piece is, as you can tell, kind of broken. Probably won't last, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Perfect, there we go, that's it. Alright, so I finished building this guy together. I put this rabbit poop and fine wood chips, very, very fine wood chips. But yeah, it's coming along good. So today I picked up some compost from a local green waste dump. I was not impressed by it after I got home. It's really thin. It doesn't really smell like anything. It doesn't smell like compost, but they say it's compost. But it is a little rocky and kind of sandy. However, I had leftover rabbit poop, so now I'm just kind of like dumping a couple piles and mixing it. It's not a big deal. It'll still be good overall. It is actually mixing in really well and making this nice kind of like light, fluffy compost base, at least. So I put some of it already in the garden bed itself. So I'm going to water this down and let it kind of like start soaking in and getting ready to plant for this weekend.